Welcome to Kids Toy Now. First we need a marker. Then we draw a line and another line. Let's draw parallel into this line. In this video, we learn how to draw a house drawing step by step very easy. Left side we draw a line and right side we draw the same line and join it. Then start a new line to this and next line, and this is the final line. This is the upper portion of the house and here is the wall. We join it and the house is ready. Then we draw this line and here the tree beside this house. In the left side we draw house and the right side we draw tree. This is tree. This is the door of this house. We draw in parallel. Here is the window. This is the window of the house. Here some flower. Here is the flower garden to decorate the house. And there is a big window. This is big window. This is the first window and this is the second window. Here is a two big window of this house. And then there is a chimney of the kitchen. This is chimney of the house. Here we draw a sky, or you can say it cloud. And the last one is sun. This is the sun. Here the drawing is complete. Then redraw the house.